bright minds, welcome to Bliss Kids TV. In today's lesson, we will learn the words that start with the letter Z. Before we go on, let's have a quick review of our previous lesson. This is the uppercase letter Z, and it sounds Z, while this is the lowercase letter Z, and it also sounds Z. Let's always remember that the letter Z sounds Z. The letter Z sounds Z. Let's go on and learn the words that start with the letter Z. Z, as in zipper. Z, as in zone. Z, as in zebra. Z, as in ziploc bag. Z, as in zigzag. Z, as in zoo. Z, as in zero. Z, as in zucchini. Z, as in zombie. Z, as in zest. Z, as in zoom. Z, as in zinnia. Z, as in zookeeper. Thank you for watching. If you haven't joined our community of learners, please do so by liking, sharing, and subscribing to Bliss Kids TV.